Dave Fair, golf course superintendent at Northview Golf Country Club, a 36-hole Arnold Palmer design golf course here in Surrey, British Columbia. Rounds of golf between the two golf courses, the Ridge Canal, approximately about 80,000 rounds. The biggest challenge is wear. Traffic in the wintertime is real demanding of, going out of winter into spring. Well, I see a lot of wear traffic areas that have improved. Conservation with water issues is really helping the plant and fairways and tees and greens, and just healthier greens, a healthier plant all around. The bottom line is the product is better, and that's what we're achieving. Obviously, every golf course is different, every site's different, greens, complexes, that kind of stuff. No, I really impressed with the product. Just the whole golf course looked awesome during the drought, and the water quality that we have at Northview is not the best, so it really showed its the value in the product.